As everyone is already aware, Ethereum ETFs have also made a huge and explosive debut. What goes on behind the scenes is unknown to us, and something recently found is quite horrifying. Investors become quite alarmed when Elon Musk makes headlines once more. However, what is truly taking place? Elon Musk. Why? What is the connection between all of this and shibainu? Let me clarify. Warning ***. With the introduction of Ethereum ETFs yesterday, the cryptocurrency sector experienced a significant milestone. These new ETFs generated an incredible $12 million in trading activity just 15 minutes after the SEC approved them. On Monday, this permission was received, enabling the trading of 9 Ethereum spot ETFs. Building on the first approvals granted in late May, the SEC's current approval is the outcome of multiple rounds of changes to the issuer's petitions over the previous few weeks. After the SEC previously approved Bitcoin ETFs, this action concludes a protracted process to establish Ethereum ETFs. With the introduction of Ethereum ETFs, ordinary investors can now more easily purchase and sell these products using their standard brokerage accounts. For the Ethereum token, this is a significant step. In celebration of this milestone, Bitwise's Chief Investment Officer, Matt Helgen, stated, "We've now fully entered the exchange-traded funds era of crypto." With reports of a substantial inflow of capital already, the recently authorized Ethereum ETFs are off to a great start. In a recent piece on X, Eric Balchunas, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, emphasized this remarkable start. Compared to other ETF debuts, these ETFs have attracted a significant degree of interest. According to the first trading statistics, even though Ethereum's trading volume has been half that of Bitcoin ETFs on their first day, Balchunas noted that reaching 50% of that amount is still an impressive achievement. Then, however, a horrible incident occurred. Everyone's attention was drawn to a tweet. A startling update is provided by an X user. Elon Musk has deleted the laser eyes from his X profile photo. However, why, particularly when there are indications of a bullish trend in the market? Tesla CEO Elon Musk just removed the laser eyes that were a representation of his optimism about cryptocurrency from his X profile picture. After President Biden declared he would not seek re-election in 2024, he added the laser eyes. In the cryptocurrency world, laser eyes have come to represent optimism, especially with regard to Bitcoin, and a hopeful vision for the future of the coin. On the day the Ethereum ETFs are introduced, why would Elon Musk decide to take these laser eyes out? It's undoubtedly a fascinating and perplexing move. Given the time, Elon Musk's action is especially odd. It's difficult to determine exactly what message the removal of the laser eyes on the day Ethereum ETFs launch is trying to convey. Is he warning us of an impending event? Perhaps he's changing his position on Bitcoin developments or indicating a change in emphasis. Or maybe it's a means of highlighting other advancements in the cryptocurrency field, such as Ethereum's new ETFs, and diverting focus away from Bitcoin. This alteration can be an indication of something more serious. Elon Musk may be hinting at a change in his perspective on Bitcoin or the larger cryptocurrency industry by taking off the laser eyes. This might suggest that he perceives possible problems or dangers that the general public isn't instantly aware of. It's also important to keep in mind that this kind of behavior can be a calculated diversion or an indication that his goals or investment approach have changed. It's definitely worthwhile to monitor what might happen next and whether this adjustment reflects broader changes or concerns in the crypto ecosystem, especially given Musk's power and the timing. However, the Ethereum ETFs have demonstrated that they don't give a damn, despite the excitement surrounding Musk's move. In any case, they have had a huge influence. Grayscale topped the charts as Ethereum ETFs saw an incredible $1 billion in trading activity on their first day. And this Grayscale news is just crazy. When the Bitcoin ETFs were approved in January, do you recall how Grayscale was selling off massive quantities of Bitcoin? That enormous selling generated a great deal of confusion and was a contributing factor in multiple market crashes. And now that Grayscale has the Ethereum ETF at the top of the charts, it's amazing. This change is noteworthy since it represents a big improvement. By investing in Ethereum ETFs, Grayscale is leading the way and breaking records rather than provoking market chaos once more. This move demonstrates how quickly the landscape may change and how various factors might influence market dynamics. Analysts have high hopes for this launch as well. The successful introduction of Ethereum ETFs may indicate that financial instruments linked to cryptocurrencies are becoming more widely accepted. Ethereum ETF's impressive debut suggests a rising interest for varied crypto assets, even though their trading volume didn't match that of Bitcoin ETFs. Their early success raises hopes for their future influence on the cryptocurrency industry. What's crazy, though, is that Shiba Inu also experienced all of this enthusiasm. A fortunate 7.77% increase in significant deals for Shiba Inu suggests that this trend may continue to grow. Although it may seem a little absurd, the psychology of fortunate numbers is occasionally taken into consideration when making investment choices, and it can have an effect on the market performance of digital assets such as shibainu. Significant interest from major players is indicated by Shiba's 7.77% rise in trades over $100,000 over the last 7 days. These significant transactions point to an accumulation period in which whales and major investors are growing their holdings in anticipation of a potential price increase. Additionally, Shiba Inu's net network growth is positive, increasing by 0.24%. This implies that more users and transactions are being drawn to the Shiba network as it grows. However, given the crazed enthusiasm around Ethereum ETFs today, rational queries arise. What's the duration of this excitement? In the long run, how much money will it really draw? More significantly, what is the real effect on the market for altcoins? Analysts' hypotheses regarding Ethereum ETFs are diverse. According to James Seyffart and Eric Balkunas, these funds may take 20% of the money that Bitcoin ETFs have attracted. JP Morgan, on the other hand, is more pessimistic and believes it will fail due to weak inflows. Ethereum's price fell by 2% following the debut of the ETFs, despite a robust start with $200 million in trading activity in the first 45 minutes. This is similar to the first decline in the price of Bitcoin when its ETFs were initially released. Even as Bitcoin eventually witnessed large gains, it's unclear if Ethereum ETFs will eventually generate the same kind of excitement. But based on what we've witnessed, this enthusiasm will undoubtedly cause large reverberations throughout the altcoin market, which might greatly help tokens like Shiba Inu and others. In a tweet from an ex-user, "People don't understand. The top 20 alts remain weak. There won't be any more funding. This is good. You are looking at interest-bearing coin values that are literally at their lowest level ever. In other words, the best buy points are still lagging. As soon as Bitcoin hits $85 to $87,000, new capital will start to pour in. The top 20 alts will now take off *. The tweet implies that even though the leading altcoins aren't doing well right now and aren't drawing in a lot of fresh capital, this might be a good thing. It suggests that with prices at historically low interest rates, we may be witnessing some of the best buying opportunities right now. The theory is that a spike in fresh investment in altcoins may occur after Bitcoin reaches the $85,000, $87,000. In the event that this occurs, the top 20 altcoins may see a notable increase, much like Shiba Inu has. However, what do you think about that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos that appears on the screen if you want to learn more. Consequently, this concludes the video. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and like this video if you liked it. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this.